at the goodness of God. Look at the beauty of me.
For the Lord is good and his mercies endure forever. Psalm 100 verse 5. Hi guys, welcome to the first weekly vlog on this channel. I look a mess because I'm currently braiding my hair. Anyway, today I plan to finish my hair and I have a couple of things to do. I have errands to run. I was going to start my weekly vlog last week and I actually filmed some bits, but I ended up not finishing the vlog. I don't want the footage to waste, so I'll probably put it somewhere in this vlog. Somewhere. I've had a PR package with me for over a week. We have some products in the package. Look at that. I haven't seen you guys in a while and things are getting busy, but right now I'm doing my makeup because I have to shoot content. It's gonna come together. What the freak is going on here?
This topic is finishes.
This is the finished look. Now I'm about to record my content. It's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to leave the house right now. I'm going out with my friend. I'm gonna stop by and take some content before I actually meet my friend. So we are now at my location for taking pictures. There's some men doing some work, so I hope they're gonna help me be safe, you know? This is what I was able to get. Hopefully I'll find some cute pictures out of the bunch. Diamonds glowing, chocolate climbing on them. You think I'm jumping out the window, I got them open. Line around the corner, line them up the block. I like this one, but this one I look good. No, I want to do one. I'll take it. Thank you. It pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I saw, I praise. So we're going to Subway to go get some food. The trampoline park was not fun for her especially, but for me it wasn't that bad, but for her she didn't like it one bit. And
It's more of like a kids thing though. With lemonade. Lemonade is all you need. Like, I want that one.
so we're done now. It's time to go. Say bye bye to my friend. I mean bye bye to my acquaintance. Bye bye. It's too cold for all this. Today is just about me finishing my hair and cleaning up my room.
And I'm gonna be Regina George, so hence why I'm bold. Regina George is blonde. I surprisingly don't have a blonde wig, but I do have wigs with blonde in them. I'm good.
Simple turkey sandwich is gonna do it for me every single time. So I'm back home now and I'm just gonna finish my hair and then we're gonna clean up my room, and I think that's all that's gonna be in the vlog for today. Yo, look at this DIY I created, right? Because I'm doing knotless and fit-ins and I don't have any other way to get my hair, so I cut a box up and I just have my hair on these little things. It's so easy, it works, it's everything. I'm done guys. Look at me, look at this beauty. All that is left for me to do is curl the ends and put it in hot water. I curl the end. It's not as curly as I would like it to be, but it's something, and I did a little bit, just my edges, just a little. And yeah, that is it. I'm done with my hair. I love how it turned out, and I did it myself, y'all. I did it myself. Hey my loves, guess what time it is? 4 p.m. on a Tuesday. I'm such a bad vlogger. I feel like the lighting is so horrible. It's raining outside, so I can only rely on artificial lighting. But anyway, I finished my hair yesterday, and I also cleaned up my room yesterday. I think that was where I left up the vlog. I got back home to a PR package. Look at all the things in this box. So here's the box, and we have a couple of things. So they sent this, which is a 14-day shape mask set, a brown bear headband, a clarifying cypress leaf cleanser, a moisturizing cream, lip and cheek color, lip mousse, eyeshadow, highlighter. So there's a lot of stuff. Thank you so much to I Do Care, like a DEW. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try all these good things, and thank you guys so much for supporting me, because without you all this would not happen. I just don't say a lot, but I love you guys so freaking much. Yes. I just want to so it's still Tuesday. I know I didn't really do much today. I just want to quickly give you guys a life update, what's been happening with me, because I feel like I've been absent for a while. I'm not going to give you guys the full details because I don't want you in my business. In the summertime, your girl graduated a 2-year college with an associate's degree. Don't play with me, okay? I'm a girl with a degree. I think this is a better angle. Now I'm looking into my options. I'm also creating a lot of content. I'm trying my best to pursue content as much as I can right now. It's a bit hard to juggle 3 different platforms. I'd say my main platform is TikTok, but my actual platform that I really would like to build an audience on is YouTube. If you want to do content creation, it's a roller coaster of emotions. Let me tell you that. It's a roller coaster of emotions, because sometimes you're on the algorithm's good side, sometimes you're doing bad on the algorithm. You just get frustrated because you're putting in a lot of effort, but the algorithm is not algorithmic. But that is my current situation. That's what is happening with me. I've been getting a lot more opportunities in terms of content creation, and I'm so grateful to you guys. I'm gonna say it again, I'm so grateful to you guys. I'm so grateful to God. In fact, another package came in today, and it's for a collaboration I have with Shein. So I'm gonna actually do a full Shein haul for you guys. I guess I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow because I don't really have anything else planned for today. If you made it to this point in the vlog, comment down below a black heart, please do. I really didn't think I'll be one of those people to be like editing Angie here, but editing Angie here. I forgot to tell you guys that I also painted my room. She's now white. If you guys have been on this channel for a long time, you know that my room has been gray. I hated it. I despised it. And one day in the summertime, actually the end of summer, like September, I just one day decided to paint my room white, and I'm gonna put clips from that part too, because I have those clips and I don't want to waste them. So yeah, just watch me be spontaneous and paint my room. This is the most impromptu video I've ever done in my life. Today I got some bed sheets for my room. I switched the bed just for the feeling how the room was looking. Like everything was looking so bad. We're gonna start painting my room. Granted, this is a basement room and there's really not enough natural light coming in here, but I still want to make it look a lot lively. We are going to Home Depot. Can you shut up? Can you shut up? We're going to Home Depot now. Turns out we don't have the rolling brush thing. I thought we had it, but we have run out. So we are going to Home Depot right now. I really want to do this today. Like every part of me wants to do it today. Left my house looking a mess and I didn't even care. But we got the items that we're going back home. I'm super excited because I want to finish it once and for all today. We have our first coat of paint right now on, and it looks a mess. I know. I am not a professional painter and I never came to be. I really wish we used matte paint instead, because I feel like matte would just like... I also want to do this one too today. I don't know how that's gonna go because right now it's 6:30. What if I told you today was Friday? First of all, I'm sorry, okay? I don't want the vlog to be too short, so I'm gonna try to do something today. And then tomorrow, I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm going out with my friend tomorrow. I have a code, by the way. I think I'm gonna end the vlog tomorrow so I could edit this video and have it out by Sunday. If I have a white cast on my face, I use sunscreen, that's why. Yesterday, I also had to go out to take like a video for this activewear brand, so I had to take a video. This is the video. If you're interested, watch the video on TikTok and comment a black heart emoji. If you ever come from my YouTube channel to any of my other platforms, just comment a black heart and I just know like you're my paddy. So I just got back from Walmart and I just want to do a quick haul for you guys. First thing I got is this body wash. I saw on TikTok this girl said, not this girl, a couple people said to double cleanse. That's when you go with like a bath soap and you wash yourself, exfoliate, and then you go with an actual body wash that smells really nice. I feel like my puffer is making a lot of noise. I decided to get it straight now because this was $11. I got a planner for 2023. I love planning. Like, I love writing things down. This Old Spice deodorant, but this is the vanilla note or the vanilla scent. I got this because I also saw on TikTok that using men deodorant is better because it's supposed to last a longer time and it smells okay, so we're gonna try this out and see. And also I got some setting spray because I need setting spray. So today is Saturday. Like I told you guys, I'm going out with my friend. Now I'm just getting ready because I also want to maybe get some content. I always get content because it's my job. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather at today? Low 27 and a high 46. That is crazy. So let's get ready. I already moisturized, so I don't really have to do much in terms of that. And I'm not going for lashes, so I have to do like a simple makeup look. Hey Siri, play YouTube music.
Now playing YouTube music.
I just don't get it.
See, my makeup was looking a mess before, but this is what we ended up with. Like, I thought we were living good. Even if I look a mess, I end up not looking a mess. Look at the goodness of God. Look at the beauty of me. Anyway, here is our look. I literally have like 20 minutes to get ready, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and then we're gonna leave the house. Prepare for a 1-hour drive. Almost. So here is my full look and my full outfit. It's very black, but by now everybody knows I like my black. And I really wanted to do more colors, but I don't have the right color to do with it. I'm also taking my blanket. I'm taking some popcorn because I don't like cinema popcorn. Y'all, it was a very crazy journey, an hour journey, and I was on like the expressway for like a long time. See this girl, so now I have to wait here for you. Me that I was rushing. Hey, can you imagine? You will hear from me today. This girl lives 5 minutes from here, oh. 5 minutes from here, and she's not here yet. She's still at home. I'm just shocked. I'm shocked right now, and I need AC a big. I'll see you guys when there's more updates. I'm now in the car park now. I'm waiting for this girl. I feel like I'm the only African that doesn't do African time. I just don't feel like it's right to do African time. We said we were gonna meet at one time. I don't like African time. I don't like it. And I'm an African. I'm a very African. But I don't like African time. Don't do African time with me. I want us to have enough time to jaye, kashi, faji. And now you're coming late. What's that? What does that say about you? I'm just talking because I like how I look. Don't mind what I'm saying, guys. Don't mind me. Yo, it's been an hour and this babe, focus. It's been an hour and this babe is still not here, so I think I'm just gonna try to get my content by myself and I'll see you guys eventually. Good luck to me.